Faber Warso Sports.
All right, and we'll have more cover Ediba Gumweti. Midi, Eddie Al Hassan Johnson Afizi. Ube to me from the Sports Spider. Major Sona Yama Akoye Eddie Amo El Honomo. Everybody said the Faber also sports no. Yeri Ebo somewhere na kwanso there. Yan fast then be yan for make me ko na wie umosia so mo boy boa me the Faber also no. Yeri Ebro or na kwanso there. Me can for GBN production Eddie Amo. So your party engagement outdoor. No perceive open video and the opposite video. I say yes video pani there and me can for GBN production Eddie Amo. Ube to me after Mohammed Tufisu 0554 618138 and I say 027 11000455. Ube to me after GBN production. No way to me about Bayamwa El Sasana solo air conditioning and services. So air conditioning and who attach my air conditioner and boy eduma opposite services at my installation may come for solo air conditioning and services at the amount. Ube to me after Mohammed Tufisu 0248762027. Ube to me after solo air conditioning services. No so to me about Bayamwa El Send Moko in and every emotion say Bavamba Mary Faber also no Jerry Ebro or na council there. And they be one also there, but one of media no I Faber also. Live Facebook, Gumo TV, so also YouTube, Gumo TV. Ube to me Edward, WhatsApp and as a text message no with the 0554 618138 0554 618138. You better near to me I can kind Eddie Amo El Horman. Eddie be one of media na come on and shadow and Eddie Ebaba shadow. One cover from Gumo TV.
Sports Spider, Major so.
Nempo
Yamiadum. Tiasi.
A device selection can
be my dear chums are there. Nice hopes no. When it does so in a Sujan and answer.
Yes,
wait to me and be key.
Yeah, wait to me because on crack so almost be there.
Oh man,
Sana work and the one. As a shadow and
winning me power.
Oh, no, say I'm in Obianim.
Okay.
Say shadow and then they won't say. Under 17, any under 20, ladies, any princess. When say the president of the land, and now the Danko Kufaro, restrictions for some bit marry. I started camping. And that coaches afternoon or more day, 30-man squad. About to be a 30 months, 32 men squad. Yeah, 32 men squad. Yes, and maybe a son, and call out of your son, I would do. But before that, you know, JTA Nanado embassy here after say restrictions, you know, you free.
In the last speech.
Yes, both under 17 and the 20 embassy here.
Our female under 20 and under 17 national football teams have been given the clearance to go into their respective training camps to begin preparations towards their FIFA and CAF sanctioned international matches which begin in September. Whilst in training, the playing, technical and management teams must observe strictly all the protocols issued by government, CAF and FIFA against COVID-19. All other team and contact sports and competitive sporting events remain suspended till further notice.
Kuweri and Sama, the president of the land, Nana Adudan Kufado, or the two L1. Say Shadow, what shall we say under 20, your head coach, you know. Papa, you see basically, so I went to our Papa. Yes, well,
rich experience.
Yes, assistant coach, you know, Papa, the Moro Amidu, and also or Tapapenechi, that's all called under 17 now. Babanu, any only under 17 head coach, Sasana, an assistant coach, and I say, an assistant coach, you know. Omunya so ebo1 L1 manyama akoyi ede am say sadu 30-man squad na ba no
ene so kan wu so come on amari afro mu
oh say sadu
ejanu ene na me jo say be fa ye just because afian san story e pop ya ye rese de beko
so before that no ye indicate viewers ne your listeners kakra wonu say match no yakopon ya me September black maidens which is under 17 in Nigeria qualifies. So as now we Black Princess under 20 so and also Guinea-Bissau and also qualifies, which is somewhere October 30th October the match in the bit made. So say Shadow coach is or the squad now able to be into any squad no can say what are the criteria that coach no them or the buyer but before that no squad no list no na the screen so one ma wo hwe no ye bobo we come on by one say shadow be mu kaka na abe ye bobo squad
ye chia ahwefo ina Gomo TV ahwefo ina follow also sports there near ye look ankwana ye be hwe ne dia bro say Ghana nsensem no agudie mu nsem no na ye be hwe dia bro am say no near we be say who are passwa ye hwa kan wasem the call back of black maidens and black princesses after say his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ghana's president here in the last speech o chere say akwanya be da wa ne no teams no betumi akọ camp and we heard teams na akọ camp na am say still no we heard WHO protocols na before I say we say no etumi yes but we heard Friday teams no
squad that's what the screen is
we heard Friday teams no converge or Cape Coast Sports Stadium na say omo ko do stadium they have to go through the protocols all the players the technical team they have to go through the test. I think say it's a good thing because even though say Ghana active cases of coronavirus buffer but I think say it's a good thing say people who say even though say active cases near buffer we still have to abide by the protocols. It's going into it you know you better aka ho say me brem say baby ye hwe ne dia wo so aka ho nsem na etifo etumi ani adi akire criteria ne ngina so a coaches mienu baba no hu na afa you see basiki egina so am de fresh am ya ntotofi we say omumra na omu be say omu for these games are am say hopefully no 2021 Ghana betumi they are represent Africa and tie no ne nsem am say no be focus a ye be hwe de unkomo the main criteria omu gina so a omu tumi they selected these players
so shall so far no list no na the school is when say goalkeepers no omoye baako 5 so so ko piem e defensive role no so there and also offer nipa baako 9 defensive role no nipa baako 9 so so ko piem e midfield role no so there nipa baako 7 no happen so so attackers no so ko piem e ho no for attackers baako 9 we shall win say 30 no Afrians and oko
obepro
you know the 23 final squad no there they are to 20 we share squad no the bana so far no me do we share goalkeeper Grace Bauer omo from secondary Hazakas Lily yes Arsenal okopim ehoma Barkisu is no so from Northern Lady or home so be Samilia and also from Soccer Interactua so also be Cynthia Colon and also from Pebia ladies so also go Abaiwa lady Eddie Carlos Makati and also from Kumasi Sports Academy we no goalkeepers no
interesting em say senya wo kan 30 man squad Mr. Makamani bi 30 women squad my omususa girls ti wo hwe omo a say omususa they need management proper management of course na say they work am say 30 no omu nyina ko yenhie mo na mpemfo ahwe na omu approve squad na down to 23 say they be ya betumi akogina Ghana anem wo hwe say they nyoma ekọ na unim say the black maidens no omu abom modern they are the only African youth women team omu etumi are representing in all youth World Cup competitions across FIFA etumi organize no Ghana they no black maidens the only African team where to me and make appearances in all the youth tournament at FIFA at me organize in terms of somebody there was when to Yankopon Hono or the Che Ghana ye but to send Adana can be a grassroots football when you have to turn as here Amanyoma a year AGNC. I think it's a goalkeepers they are all of equal standards. Said an can they say no leg be anyhow. A Ghana crown a 17 leg and man the year Mobisa and
maybe now women's leg no na ebia ye from
you mo fair from but I don't hear say ingina support e be no mu gina so e dey fast am my wo hwe say active football bia no enko but would we so begrudge coaches
no because coach no say shadow won name squad also we are say what the criteria and the form na dey what dey ba because so when business for more so when na football person
I mean we say now the was say one
business so when business e won no you say investigation no but in 3 months squad no business no more.
Oh, but I know the say omuka. Yes, I'm sure for omuka my players. Some of them cry. Sometimes you share my new opportunity share man. Even at the senior national team level omuka.
Yes.
Okay, is my yates and send me a very two. Say Gina. I don't know in anu but Sisania oka the benya you show me evidence more dear. Just only be 2 I don't know nipa no want me running away from.